Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I didn't measure that. And let me see, here we go. I'll just tell you how big this is. It is 24 inch by 12 inch, or where is it? About 61 centimetres by about 31 centimetres. It's actually a photo or a picture that came out of a frame. I got it in the charity store and I purchased it for the frame. Absolutely brilliant. But the picture that was on it, certainly not my cup of tea, so I decided to paint over it, utilise the wonderful frame, which at the end of this video I'll put it in the frame when it's all dry and everything, and then I'll just add it to the end of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. But it really is well worth checking out charity stores for bits and pieces, especially if you want you know, graters and things like that to play with the paints. Have your own little toy box. Why should the kids have all the fun? So the recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you'll find underneath the video under show more. And I'm going to do a wandering ring pour and a bit of a tilt, of course, and just see what happens. And the colours that I'm using, where is it? I have some OGX here. I wanted some just in the blues. Alright, so I've got white, silver, ultramarine blue and a lighter blue, and I'll put the names of these paints under show more as well as I do. Just give that a bit of a twirl, not much. I don't want to kill off all the OGX completely. So here we go. And I think I like a bit of extra whites. I might put a bit of white between each of the colours here. And my cup is getting full. Pretty good. A bit more darker blue on the top. Right. Some people don't pour from the side where they poured the paints in, but it doesn't really bother me one way or the other, so let's see what happens. Start this end. Did that just nicely. Alright, let's have a little tilty. And back. There's also a link below to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come across there and join us. That off to the edge. And back. back down again. I think that might do it. Well, that is really, really pretty, but I'm going to put a ring pour in. So I'm going to put my white in. Silver, and then the blues. Just pour them in and stretch the white out on to the top. And hopefully this will do the trick. That's pretty, but I'm not really enthused. It's going on my wall. So let's do this. Right. Down to the, not that far. Let's go and straighten him up a little bit. That's got him. And then bring the lines down. Absolutely. But now I'm not happy with all that white. Will she ever be happy, she says. So I'm just going to put some of the blues and the silver together. I need a lot. Just a tad. More than enough, thank you. Well, I think I like that. I think that centerpiece could have been a bit better too, so we'll just try that trick again. think I definitely have a lift off here. Don't worry, Houston, I've got it under control. Oh, that is really pretty. Can bring some of this white down, maybe, if it'll go. And then just take it back to the centre. I like that. That is how it will stay. I'm just going to wipe my hands off and get the torch. I think I've got all my edges done. Right. So I won't be a second and then I'll just torch it. That was a bit of a pest. I just touched the bottom of it with the torch. So I just maybe the frame will cover that. Doesn't look too bad anyway. Alright, not a lot of cells, just some little pale itty bitty light ones, but that's okay. Because I might put some more blue over these bits. Yeah, as I was saying, it's okay if I don't have a lot of cells because it would have wrecked the pattern anyway. So. Okay. It's just the black coming through and I don't like it. But I'm sure that the frame will come out to here anyway, so I don't know why I'm bothered. I think these cells that are here are beginning to grow, so they'll continue probably for some little while, and when it's dry, as I said, I'll lacquer it and then I'll frame it up and let you see that as well. But in the meantime, I'm just going to bring you down to have a look at this because it really is quite pretty. And I have a light flashing here. So, out. Here you go. So that's what I've been looking at. Nice and light and bright and very sort of oceany. And I think it's lovely. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. I really like this one. And thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. So this is it all framed up, and how good does that look? And I really like it. It's just sitting on my kitchen table at the moment, but yeah, that's really nice. And I'll see if I can get in a bit close. Yeah, I've got a bit of reflections going on there, but I think you can see how beautiful it is. It dried up just exactly like it was when it was wet, so I was very happy with that too, because quite often they'll change. Can I get... No, I've still got a bit of reflection there, but you can see how pretty it is. And please give this one the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.